All right. Lincoln Memorial and Jefferson Memorial. All right. So these are pretty old, I guess, kind of. I wonder if anybody here's in my classes have been there. So let's see. I'm in 1985, which was I was around back then. Isn't that when one of the Back to the Future episodes was filmed, or it took place then? I don't know. Seems like it. Okay, so back in 1985, the Lincoln Memorial was 1.5 times as old as the Jefferson Memorial. And if the Lincoln Memorial was built 21 years before the Jefferson Memorial, we have to okay. So let's let A be the age of the Lincoln Memorial in 1985, and let's let B be the age of the Lincoln Memorial in 1985. Okay. So I guess the age now would be. You know what? Let's not think about this. This is the year built. Let's put the year. And so that would be whatever the age is, 1985 minus A. Okay? This year that it's built is 1985 minus B. Okay, so let's try to find some equivalents here. It was 1.5 times. The Lincoln Memorial was 1.5 times the age of Jefferson. So that's 3/2 of, right? So 1.5 times the age of B, okay? And the Lincoln Memorial was built 21 years before Jefferson. So this would be also, we could say this is A, and then less 21 years, right? Because whatever the age A was, we're going to subtract 21. A is much older. Okay, 21 years older, to be precise. Okay. Well, I think we can set up some equations here pretty easily. So we've got A is equal to 3B over 2. Okay. And I've got B is equal to A minus 21. Let's think. What would be efficient is if I isolated A and then substituted it back in here. I think that would be ideal. So let's see, try this. What should I do? Let's do purple. Okay, so this is going to say A is equal to B plus 21. Right? Because whatever B's age is, Jefferson's age, we add 21 because it's 21 years older. Okay, alright. So let's go ahead and we're going to substitute this for A into this equation right here. Okay, so let's do that. So B plus 21, okay, equals 3B over 2. Alright, so now it should be easy now. Let's just clear the fractions, multiply everything by 2. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to times everything by 2. Could probably just say that. I wouldn't have to even show it. So we'll get 2B plus 42 is equal to 3B. So if I subtract 2B from both sides, I just end up with B is equal to 42. Okay, so that's the age of, right here, that's 42 years old in 1985. Okay, so 1985 minus 42, so 1985 minus 42, it was built in 1943. Yeah, alright, so now for A, let's see. letters, who cares? So A is equal to 3B, which is 45, or 42, sorry, over 2, right? Which is just, cancels there at 21. So 21 times 3 is 63, right? So A equals 63. So 1985 minus 63. So 1985 minus 63 is 1922. Okay, so let's just label these right here with a different color that stands out a bit. Let's see. That'll do. Okay, so built in 1922, and this one was built in 1943. All right.